Hey guys, Mr. Tripper here, and I have a very great job on my 85K. Well, it doesn't really look like 85K because I'm in a different site. Make it look like 85K. So, yeah. There we go, 85K. Falls off. This is made by Crossman. Simplified that actually painted white digital for black and digital. And I'll have two guys to show you. Same with Mac. So yeah, that's the digital camera that I did right now. I use a stencil. So yeah. Mac kind of gets stuck a lot, so it's nothing to do with spray paint. The mag release broke. This one's a PDW spray. Of course, and I have my little light on it. So yeah, there's a folding sock which broke on me. The same thing. I think it's made by Crossman. Actually, no, I think it's made by Marines. Stock. That. They didn't do such a good job on this side. This side's better. So yeah. So it's like springs or cups right here. Plastic PDW mag. So yeah, the digital camera I did with a stencil. I'll show you the better one with stencil. Yeah, that's also a Crossman problem when I took the rail system off. So yeah, spray paint job, and see you guys later, and bye.